I need this trailer tomorrow to go pick up my brand new Derette XC1100 crate. So I got to get the snow off. I don't know if this is a good or bad idea, but let's try a power washer now. I'm gonna go with this is probably a bad idea. So I'm on my way to go pick up my XC1100 from the shipping place, and lo and behold, I find out I've got a flat on my trailer. So I'm here at Discount Tire, and they're gonna throw my spare on so that, and I'll drop this off for a flat repair, so that then I can go load all my crates on the trailer and make it back home. Discount got me my spare tire installed, so now here I am. I'm at this place called Everett Express, and they've got all 3 crates here. So 20-foot trailer, I can't put them all on. So I'm gonna have to take a couple trips out here. Stink. I think I'm gonna take all the attachments in the first trip, get home, unload them with the V1000 on the forks, most likely. And then I'm going to have the XC1100 put on and bring that home. I'll have to uncrate it on the trailer because I only have a 20-foot trailer. So I got all the attachments on, and it's gonna be a little tricky. So I had them load this one close to the side, which will give me the ability to pick it up with my V1000 when I get home, hopefully. Hopefully. They said this one weighed in at 1,200 pounds. So I ought to be able to pick it up with the V1000, no problems. Now the lid has come off this one. So, so this will be more of a challenge. Interesting. I've never had one before that got opened. Yeah, this is open for sure. They're both open. So 2 straps together wasn't quite long enough. So what I'm doing is I'm using an axle strap on this side. Gives me a little more length. Two straps. It's just crazy that the lids were pulled off. Wonder if that's a custom thing. Everything's in there and it looks good. Got my spare. My spare with off-road tread. Alright. I've got all the attachments for the XC1100 loaded up. Now I'm gonna drive home about 30 minutes and then I'll be back. Another 30 minutes. I have 2 hours. So I made it back home. On the way, the saran wrap they had wrapped around the crate started coming off. So I had to pull over and pull that off. But besides that, it was very uneventful. And that's good because the lids of these crates are open. So my plan is I'm gonna go get my V1000 because that's my highest lifting machine that I have in my possession. And I'm gonna get this crate off. And I'm gonna try to get that one. If not, I'm gonna have to take all the attachments out one at a time. And that'll kind of be a pain, but not so bad. And then I'm going to go back and I'm going to get the XC1100 and load that on the trailer, open the crate on the trailer with you, and then go from there. Well, that was super easy. Let's go do the next one. What if I can use the V1000 the forks to pick it up, kind of drag it back and set it on the ground and then drive the trailer away? Okay, I got it. Okay, ready? Oh. Perfect. It was super nice that my lovely wife came outside right at the exact time I needed help. And yeah, she helped me lower the crate. That was perfect. That's why I need a helper. This is hard on a hill. Kidding me. How is it I can do this? Oh. This V1000 beast mode. Gotta admit, that was pretty awesome. Okay, let me show you guys what we're looking at. Remember, they already opened the crates somewhere. So in here, vibratory plow, log grapple, rotating log grapple, and an angle blade. Sweet! In this crate, a box replacement for my bent forks. That is a vibratory roller. That is a T-post driver. And that's a horizontal log splitter. And yeah, that's what we got in here. So we'll get into this in a little bit. So I do have some raggedy old pallets here that I can use. But the world of attachments is getting a little wild back here. It's almost time to build my carports for my equipment. And then over here, this is a Ripa RS6-2. This is the Ripa RS6-1. This is the Ripa RS3. This is a Starvox 480. This is a Ripa RS4. You already met the Derette DRT 480 and the Derette V1000. This is the VMeng VM1000. This is my monster dumper. Yeah, wait till you see that one. This is a normal dumper. That's my Derette DRT 450. You guys might know my radio controlled mower with snowblade. This is my SD Lanch mini skid. This is my Amazon machine. This is my about to be modified dumper. And then over here we've got a Honda Navi, Honda Grom, Sierra 50, and I'm gonna need to make room for more parts. And here's another remote mower that I haven't even opened yet. Do you guys ever just look around and feel overwhelmed with stuff? Okay. Let me get this stuff all packed up, get these straps loaded up, get back over there, and get the machine. It's a lot of straps. It's 3:30. Plenty of time. Inside this crate may be one of the greatest mini skid steers to come out of China. This particular machine was built specifically for me. It is a special edition, limited, one of one. And today, you and I are gonna open it here at the trucking yard where I came to pick it up, and I'm just gonna drive it right on my trailer. And this is our first sneak peek. There it is, in all its green, Incredible Hulk glory. Yes. There it is, the Derette XC1100. What's that?
You were running one of these around one of your property one time.
Yeah, I have a little fleet of them, but that's the latest and greatest.
Gotcha. I've seen.
I just got recognized by one of the drivers here. Okay, I'm gonna pull this back panel off and then we can drive it out of here. All right, it's fired up. Oh, that's right. Gotta wait for the screen to load. Okay, I've got the XC1100 strapped down. I've got its crate strapped down. Now I'm ready to run home and get this thing unloaded and start working on it and testing it out. And let's see what it's really like. Hey, thanks for sticking around. Thanks for coming out. Like and subscribe. A lot more content to come on a lot of machines, especially this one. And we'll see you in the next one.